Up to a quarter of all Australians could be vitamin D deficient because of a lack of sunshine. And experts say this can have serious consequences for our health. Dietitian Jessica Abbott joins me. And Jess, this research is quite controversial.
Yeah, it is interesting, Georgie, that here we are in Queensland, the Sunshine State, and yet we're talking about people being vitamin D deficient, a vitamin that's formed in the skin when sun touches the skin. Now, it is quite important because vitamin D is necessary for good health. In particular, we need it for strong bones and muscles. So I guess we're talking about balancing the right amount of sun exposure and maintaining good vitamin D levels.
So is there a safe way to get more vitamin D?
Well, the Cancer Council of Australia actually recommends safe sun exposure, so not having too much sun exposure, but getting the right amount, so using all those slip, slop, slap techniques that we grew up with. Now, from a food perspective, okay, there's only very few food sources of vitamin D. So some of these include egg yolks and fish oils, and some of our foods are actually fortified with vitamin D. So you can find on the market some milks that are actually fortified. Now, we do have a lot of supplements of vitamin D on the market as well, but it's really important to check with your GP as to whether or not you are vitamin D deficient and how much of these supplements you should be using.
Okay, good advice. Thank you, Jess. We'll chat again next week.
Thank you, Georgie.